Hello everyone. Are you wondering what FOMO means? Let's explore. FOMO stands for fear of missing out, a term that describes the anxiety or concern that others are having rewarding experiences from which one is absent. This feeling is particularly amplified by social media, where people constantly see what their friends or influencers are doing, creating a sense of exclusion. FOMO drives people to participate in activities or make decisions based on the fear of not being part of the moment or missing out on a trend. It can affect various aspects of life, from social gatherings to financial decisions, as people strive to stay connected and relevant. In essence, FOMO is about the anxiety of being left out, driven by the perception that others are living more fulfilling lives. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.